Ano nga bang reason kung bakit tayo nag-generate ng QR code sa BPI? Pwede naman natin i-input yung account number on the app itself. Well, aside from makakatulong siya to avoid mistakes on typing yung account number on the app, makaka-save ka din kasi walang transaction fee kapag magta-transfer ka to another BPI account with a QR code. So, paano nga ba i-generate yung QR code mo? So, first things first, open the app and then log in. Tapos, punta tayo dito sa taas. Click Other Services. And then, scroll down to Transactions. Tapos, QR Generator. Select natin yung account na gusto natin gawan ng QR code. And then, type a nickname. For example, Ray. Tapos, amount. Because pwede nyo i-specify yung amount. For example, magpapasend kayo sa ibang tao, tapos fix yung amount. Ayan, pwede nyo ilagay. But if not, okay lang din. Okay, click Generate. And then, there you go. Meron ka ng QR code. Now, all you have to do is to save it on your device. Ayan, makikita nyo sa taas, QR successfully saved. So, every time na magpapatransfer kayo from other BPI accounts, pwede nyo isend itong QR code nyo. In order to know how to transfer from your BPI account to another account using the QR code, I'm gonna show you on the next video. To open an online BPI account, you can check this video. And kung paano mag-invest sa BPI online app, you can also check this video over here. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified for other videos similar to these. Thank you guys, bye!